Hi, good morning. I'm Ezekiel Bubares and I'm going to report a recently event in the Middle East and West Philippine Sea. Show that some powerful continents are not following international law, leaving smaller nations like the Philippines to deal with the consequence. West Philippine Sea. China continues to harass Filipino fishing boats and block supply missions. Many other people, from the grieving families in the Middle East to Filipino fishermen in Palawan and Zambales, their conflicts are not political. They affect their daily life and safety.